Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Casey and it is Sunday setup. It is the last weekend of Vlogust, but I do plan on continuing to do a weekend prep video that I will probably upload on Mondays. So the first thing I'm doing today is I'm going to eat something before I get started cleaning. So I just grabbed this beef and pepper meal from the Dollar Tree. It's one of my favorites. And I wanted to try this bubbly blackberry sparkling water because I saw it at the Dollar Tree too. And on somebody's channel, they said that it tasted like cherry Dr. Pepper, but that could not be any further from the truth than I have ever heard in my life, because that was the most terrible thing I have ever drank. In its defense, I apparently do not like sparkling water. So I don't know, maybe you will like it, but I don't even understand why they make it. So moving on, I will never try that again. When I woke up this morning, my daughter had started a load of laundry and had also loaded the dishwasher for the first time. I did end up loading it 3 times today, and I could not care any less. So here I am just cleaning out the refrigerator, taking out all of the leftovers that we did not eat. I am going to be dumping all of that out and washing those dishes. So you can watch here as my refrigerator becomes almost completely empty. I definitely need to make a grocery store run. So here I'm just cleaning out the shelves and moving everything around just so I can wipe it out. Nothing major, but I did have a lot of leftovers in there that needed to be taken care of. after I drained the ground beef, I seasoned it with some McCormick's hamburger seasoning, salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. Then I just added all of the ingredients to it, which was a can of beef broth, a can of corn, onions, carrots, and a can of tomatoes. And then I added 1 can of water. So now I'm just going to get the lid on it and put it on the soup function and let it cook. Also, obviously, a potato. I forgot to say a potato. And that is going to cook on normal high pressure for 30 minutes. So it cooked for the 30 minutes. And now I'm just releasing the pressure. It's did a natural release for 12 minutes. And I will show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright guys, that is it. That is going to wrap up today's Sunday setup. Tomorrow is the last day of Vlogust, and it is the last day of Monday morning chats about the business. So make sure you don't miss that. And if you need to catch up on any of my Vlogust videos, I keep the playlist listed below all of my Vlogust videos. So if you check the description box, I will have the playlist listed down there. But that is going to wrap up today. I got everything done that I wanted to get done. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see y'all tomorrow.